Yeah. Oh, and it does work.
Yeah.
I mean, they, while I'm developing all this and putting this all together and doing the research for it, I go out with them too, a few days a week. And I sold a roof out in Katy, Texas, the other day.
Yeah.
And so I know it's possible. I did it just last week.
Well,
and it is a $750,000 home. I mean, the roof is huge. So
yeah.
I mean, it's got hail damage everywhere, and the insurance company's already okayed it. And so anyway,
yeah.
I know it works. I just got to be. It's summertime, and I'm 40.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I don't want to trek up and down these damn streets all afternoon. Like,
yeah.
There's got to be. So anyway,
well,
I'm gonna shut up.
Totally get it. But the answer is you bust your ass and you door knock for the first month of the year, and then you maximize your referrals from that. You won't have to door knock another single door. If you started out with 5 customers and each of them gave you 2 qualified leads or neighbors or family members, and they're going to want to, like, it's not hard to get referrals in this business. I teach it every day.
They're giving $100 gift cards for referrals.
You don't even have to do that. And by the way, that shit could work, but here's the problem with that too. I'm going to open your mind to a bunch of stuff here. All right, here's what most companies do. They go, by the way, Mrs. Jones, we do a $100 referral program. If you think of anybody who, might need a roof inspection, just like I did for you, here are a couple cards. Would you mind, letting them know that I can help them out? And Mrs. Jones goes, absolutely. You did such a great job. We can't believe that we got a new house. And then guess what happens to those business cards?
Stick them on the refrigerator or in the trash.
Or they go in the junk drawer with the Bed Bath & Beyond coupons. And guess what?
Yep.
You might...
With the door hangers.
Exactly. And guess what? Mrs. Jones means it when she says, I would love to refer you, but it doesn't come up anymore. So what I do is I don't spend $100. I have a $15 or a $10 Starbucks or Target gift card with me. And I go, Mrs. Jones, which do you like more, Starbucks or Target? And she's like, oh, Target, I'm there every weekend. It's an adult's playland. And I go, I get it. I'm addicted too. Well, I'll tell you what, Mrs. Jones, I've got a $10 or $15 Target gift card right here for you. And I throw it on the table right in front of her. And I go, here's the deal. I hate bothering people and knocking doors, but as you found out, there's actually quite a bit of damage out here, and people don't realize that they could have a lot of damage on the roof, and they might get a virtually free facelift, 95% off facelift. So I tell you what, here's my notebook. Who are 2 people that you can think of, neighbors or family members or something that live in the area where the storm hit that I could do a free inspection for? And they just give them to you. And by the way, if they write them down real fast, I go, geez, Mrs. Jones, that was almost too easy. Tell you what, here, you can have the $15 Starbucks card too if you write 2 more.
Well, the cool thing about them, they don't advertise it. Like, just if a customer does, they just then they give it to them.
That's great, but what's the incentive? That's not proactive.
Right. I meant this just morale-wise.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
I mean,
but
I understand what you're saying.
When your goal is, I'm doing this to generate leads on purpose, that does not work. You're going to luck out and get a couple every now and again, and people will refer you. But what if you did that on purpose, and every single customer you had, you got at least 2 referrals? Right?
Yeah, that's what the referrals are key.
Yeah. And
okay, keep opening my mind. I'm sorry.